In his viral video, Who I Smoke, Jacksonville rapper Spinabenz claims credit for no fewer than 6 murders. The crimes are real, but are his lyrics just violent fiction or an admission of guilt?
So it's a question at the heart of a new movement to shield rap lyrics from being used in criminal cases. And it's something that could have direct impact in Jacksonville, where prosecutors frequently use rhymes as evidence of crimes. Ann Schindler reports.
And I've got to talk about the lyrics of Murder One. He tripped on his feet, he didn't draw his gun. Shots fired. Because it's so helpful to your understanding of what this game stands for. Face out, we leaving damage.
The 2022 conviction of Jacksonville rapper Tyler Jackson, aka YNR Movement, rested in large part on his videos.
You know, I watched the music videos and I have to say that I'm appalled at the content of them.
Lyrics detailing actual crimes holding what appear to be actual guns.
The state is prosecuting my music videos and not who I am as a person.
Rap videos also figured prominently in the 2018 trial of 2 teenagers accused of murdering toddler Aiden McClendon.
I got murder on my mind, I can out the picture.
It's called drill music. That is, they talk about what they have done. They talk about what they want to do.
These are not songs, these are not raps. These are admissions.
Prosecutors even played the viral video, Who I Smoke, at Spinabenz bond hearing to show he was a danger to the community.
That's something you see frequently throughout the state of Florida.
Attorney Dan Eckert defended the artist, whose given name is Noah Williams.
500 reported cases now where the lyrics to the music have been used by prosecutors.
At his trial for felony gun possession, prosecutors told jurors the lyrics to his song, My Glock, mirrored an actual illegal gun purchase.
Just because there's a song by Bob Marley that says, I shot the sheriff, doesn't mean he actually went out and shot the sheriff.
But I shot a man in Reno.
You go to the country, Johnny Cash, he never shot a man outside of Reno.
And back to back with killing.
But the issue gets more complicated when there's an actual dead body. In this song, Hakeem Robinson, aka Ksoo, raps about killing people back to back, specifically naming Bibby, the 16-year-old murder victim that Robinson is charged with killing. He name drops Bibby in other songs as well.
And you know we smoke little Bibby.
Rap music is so central to local gang prosecutions, the sheriff's office even called a 2019 dragnet Operation Wrap Up.
It's not a popular song. It's a, the words are targeted directly at, other groups in the city. They are prohibited by law from possessing a firearm. And when they take a picture of themselves in possession of a firearm, that's evidence of possession of firearm by a convicted felon.
But there is growing opposition to using an artist's work against them in court. Some believe it violates First Amendment freedoms and can prejudice a jury. It's the only art form used consistently at criminal trials, even though it's been shown to evoke stereotypes and racial bias.
It's known that you are a rapper. That designation conjures up perceptions of gang violence, drug dealing, rape, murder.
Georgia Congressman Hank Johnson introduced federal legislation to prohibit a defendant's creative expression from being used against them during a criminal case. Similar bills have been proposed or adopted in California and New York.
There's a need for this legislation because rap music is the only genre of music that subjects its creators to criminal liability.
Local police and prosecutors declined our interview requests, but Georgia District Attorney Fani Willis staunchly defends using rap music to fight gang violence.
If you decide to admit your crimes over a beat, I'm going to use it.
Willis is currently prosecuting a RICO Act indictment against Grammy Award-winning rapper Young Thug, based in part on his lyrics.
I have some legal advice. Don't confess to crimes on rap lyrics if you do not want them used, or at least get out of my county.
Ann Schindler, First Coast News, on your side.